This right here behind me is called the Factory in Franklin. And basically it's an old factory that's been turned into a place to eat, to shop, and hang out. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys around. So come on, let's go check it out. So yeah, first of all, super cool building, right? Old factory, giant water tower right there that says the Factory at Franklin. Dutch Stove Works. I think that's the original manufacturer that was here. As you can see, super inviting. This place was actually renovated in 2023. That's a restaurant right there called Saffire, which is really good restaurant. My wife and I love it. Okay. Yeah, Saffire is awesome. I think if you get the chance to eat at Saffire, I certainly would. So yeah, check it out. Like right when you step in, they've got these really cool like rugs and all this tall glass, and I don't know, I like it. And then boom, look, you step into this giant area right here. Giant bar, Edley's barbecue. That's the entrance to Saffire. I just want to show you guys, look at the, I don't know if you guys can see the sign with like the flame. I always thought that was really cool. This bar is awesome. I wish I could just come here and hang out and have a beer. I guess I could, but I don't know. I need to get the wife and come here on a date. So all sorts of places to eat here. Five Daughters Bakery. There's a ramen place. Edley's over there. You've got Jeni's ice cream. I'm gonna take you down there in a minute. Johnny O over here is actually a clothing store. Looks really nice. Mojo's, Franklin Theater. I mean, super cool. Let me take you guys up here because I feel like this is a great view of what we're looking at here. I don't know what that is. Some kind of, I have no idea, but yeah, check this out. Hopefully you guys can see that well. Really neat, right? Like all sorts of sitting areas around here. You got the Christmas tree, places to eat, and you can just grab your food. That's what people do. They come here, eat, get ice cream, get a drink, and you just hang out in these areas right here. And I see people working, families. I love it. So let's keep going here. Come down the stairs. I don't remember the name of every single store as I walk through here, so forgive me. All the businesses too, I'm sorry. Slim and Husky's Pizza. This is like a children's store called The Little Cottage, which is really neat. That's Johnny O's. Oh my gosh, okay. So if y'all are looking at getting a picture done, this is called the Portrait Lab. They've got like some really cool cameras in there, I notice. Very cool place. If you need portraits done, check out the Portrait Lab. This is called Blue Flowers. This is actually, I know this shop because it's a skateboarding shop and my son loves it. So you have that, jewelry, art gallery. They're usually sensitive about showing their art. Custom hats and retail apparel, the find, some kind of like vintage clothing. Yeah, different shops down here, Stella Roads. This here to the right is actually Honest Coffee, which this used to be so much smaller and now it's huge. I wish I could go in there, oh, sorry, and get a coffee, but I've already had way too many coffees. Daddy's Dogs, it's in the morning, so nothing's open yet. This is like a little map showing everything. I mean, it's basically like an indoor like mall at this point. All right, when you come out here, this is called the White Alligator. Po' boys and cocktails. I've never eaten there. It sounds good though, doesn't it? I love this little outdoor like sitting area that they made inside with the little fence. Like super cool vibe. All right, coming through here. I am walking around and talking to myself, which is kind of awkward. So y'all just bear with me. So then you come out here and check this out. This is like the back side of it. There's like this brick walkway and there's shops down there. I see Yoga, Fork of the South, food and beverages, Sugar Factory. And then this, I have no idea what this is. This must be new. It's some kind of ride. Ken Means Carousel of Dreams. I think kids can come, like, yeah, check it out, and like ride the carousel. Oh my gosh. Hi. It's very Franklin-esque. That is such a Franklin type thing. Look at this giant like pipe thing. The whole place has a very industrial vibe to it since it's an old factory, which I think is awesome. I always wanted to have like a, I don't know if I should go that way. I'm gonna go this way. I always wanted to have like a condo or something downtown that had that industrial, like rusty vibe to it. This is called the Block House. So if you need to get your hair cut, they've got a place to cut your hair. The Sugar Factory, so Fork of the South General Store, the Sugar Factory Candy Martini Bar and Southern Tea Room. Oh, there's people going to ride the carousel. See, that's actually genius in a place like Franklin because you have so many people coming here to visit that have small children. I bet they love that. All right. I don't really know where I'm going now, guys. I have not been back here since they renovated it. But I feel like it's worth it to show y'all. Ground floor yoga. Okay, there's restrooms back here. That's good to know. What is this? Is this a... Oh, it just goes into the factory. I might go back in that way. So there's restrooms back here, which I did not know. Wow, I don't think I've ever even been back here in my life. Third Coast Clay. Oh wow, so if you like doing pottery and stuff, they've got a whole area and it looks like they must have classes and stuff. 'Tis the season to paint pottery. It 'tis. It really 'tis. All right, so we're moving this way. I think what I need to do is turn around. Let's dip back in over here where it says welcome. Ice cream. Yeah, so there's a couple ice cream places here. This place to me, whoa, this is dark. Okay, I think I'll go this way. I was about to say, where am I? I mean, I would come and work right here. Wow. All right, let me keep going through here. So that's the Block House. Oh wow, that looks super cool. I wonder if they would let me show them around. Let me see if they let me. Wow, super cool. Hey. No, I'm actually just looking around, just seeing like yeah, this is my first time here, so super cool. Yeah, thank you. Yep, you too. Oh, they have a bar here? Okay. I think I get the draw of that. I could see myself grabbing a beer in there and waiting to get my hair cut. I need a haircut too, y'all. I'm starting to grow a mullet. More restrooms. Oh, this must be, is this the Mockingbird Theater Heritage Room? There's something called the Mockingbird Theater that I haven't been to. It must be somewhere that way. All right. Made in Tennessee, I like that. Record shop. Oh man, I love record shops. New album out. This like brings back memories, seeing CDs and stuff. Oh my gosh. Do y'all remember that? Having CDs? All right. So we need to go out this way. I need to show you guys a restaurant. I need to show you guys this really super cool piece of art. And then I believe that's it. And then we'll dip back out to the front. I'll say bye and we can go on our merry way. Yeah, that's still Honest Coffee right there. Okay. All right, so you pop out. That's Honest Coffee too right there. But check out this giant piece of art right here. I mean, isn't that sweet? That's called Rusty, and there's actually a guy in Franklin that built that. He's got a garage and he builds it at his house. I met him and I did a video on it before, so I'll try to link it at the end if I can find it. But look up Rusty at the factory at Franklin and you should be able to find my video. This right here is Hattie B's Chicken, which is a staple of Nashville, and they built one here and it has been an absolute hit. It is super cool. You go inside, they have really good hot chicken. You can get it mild if you want, and you're a wimp. You know, I get it. So yeah, the whole factory has such a cool vibe. It's lots of pipes and rusts and old windows and brick. And then they put all these cool shops in it. And they landscaped it and put all these nice walkways. And it's just turned into something that is so special for the city of Franklin. They're even going to be expanding it and adding a parking garage and, let me go this way, and also, I believe, a hotel. I don't know if that's gotten approved yet, but something tells me it will, because it's going to be tax revenue for the city. And if there's one thing that the government loves, it's tax revenue. And that would be in any city or town. All right. So this right here is called Two Hands. I actually wanted to show this to you guys. Let me pop in here. Two Hands. Oh, that's Etch. I had no idea. Do y'all see that? It's like a really nice restaurant. What the? Where have I been? So you got Etch right here to the right. You've got Saffire, really cool. And then this is Two Hands. Just peek in. And they have like brunch and breakfast, and it looks really nice. I need to eat here, like soon. So then you head this way. More restrooms. I believe that's this is always cool. I love this little VW bus right here. So I'm trying to kind of move quick, guys, because it's very awkward talking to yourself walking through a place like this. Just so you know. So I've been wanting to eat at that ramen place for so long. Look at the Christmas tree, it looks great. All right, moving along. Ooh, go around these women. Isn't this bar cool though? I bet it gets really busy on Friday and Saturday night. I bet it gets busy on Thursday nights here, knowing Franklin. Edley's barbecue is another like staple of Nashville. If you haven't had Edley's barbecue, it is so good. So really, guys, if you're looking for something to do, coming to the factory at Franklin is a really cool experience. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the factory at Franklin. My name is Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent right here in the Franklin area. If you're thinking about moving here and you want to learn a little bit more about the area, I'll leave a link in the description where you can click on it and get access to my calendar and book a day and time that works for you. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.